Alia Bhatt, who is the new age and super gorgeous fashionista of the Bollywood industry. And her hairstyles has been one of the biggest inspiration for all the teenage girls in India. So in my today's video, I'm going to recreate this Alia Bhatt inspired super elegant sleek burn hairstyle. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this is the Alia Bhatt inspired sleek burn hairstyle which I have created today, and I really hope you enjoy this video a lot, and if really that, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notification first. And I will be back with my new videos and new concepts and new ideas. Till then, take care and bye.